Constant. A constant is a variable whose value cannot be changed after it is initially assigned. The process of creating a constant is similar to creating a variable, with the key difference being the use of the keyword const instead of var. When creating a constant, it is mandatory to initialize its value at the same time. Let's start by creating a constant. We'll create two constants named first name and last name, both with the data type string. It's important to note that the value of a constant cannot be changed. If we attempt to run the code, an error related to the immutability of constants will occur. Now, to create multiple constant declarations, you can use the const keyword followed by parentheses containing the desired constants. We'll try defining two constants using this approach. Again, keep in mind that the values of constants cannot be modified. Exercises. Number 1. Declare a constant named pi with the value 3.14159. Print the value of the constant. Number 2. Declare two constants, days in week and hours in day, representing the number of days in a week and hours in a day, respectively. Print both constants. Let's address question number 1. We will create a constant named pi with a value of 3.14159, then print its value. We'll try to run the code, but an error will occur. Let's first remove the incorrect constant. For question number 2, we will create two constants, days in week and hours in day. We will print their values. When we run the code, it will succeed, and the output will match the expected values. Now, let's proceed to the next topic.